You know that's right.
What's up, YouTube land and fellow entrepreneurs all across the world? It's your girl, ChinnaE, coming back to you live, and yet once again, with another one. Okay, so I'm banging these short videos out to let you know about these sweet programs online, very legitimate, very true, tried and tested, and you can definitely jump right in and make money as well. So this next video I want to hit you guys up with is 100K social workshop. That's 100K social workshop. This here is another affiliate program, but it's got different things in it. So I'm going to go over the details, get in my notes, and give you guys the 411 on 100K social workshop. That's 100K social workshop. Okay, so basically you're going to get all the exact steps to finally achieving success with affiliate marketing and working from home. So without having to work 50 or 80 hour work days or work weeks, um, and you don't have to worry about losing your shirt or burning a hole in your wallet without having to wait years to see results as well. So here's everything you need to know about getting started. Everything you're getting inside a 100K workshop. Basically, you get to you get following steps. The following 20 high quality videos. The same steps taking us to 50,000 per month and our students to 60,000 in the first 2 months. So this is following the steps you can. So basically there's 20 high quality videos. Basically the same steps taking you to 50,000, your first 50,000 per month, and other students to 60,000 in the first 2 months. Okay, so you get every detail you've been missing from failed courses that simply don't work to tried and true, proven and tested ones that do work. Okay, so you get to avoid the pain and frustration of failing with other courses that promised the world but did not deliver. You get to learn how to basically learn how simple it is to get $63,000 in 2 months as a newbie without even having to sell anything. You get to change your life if you follow these simple steps that 100K social workshop has. So basically, it really delivers and ensures you get results and reliable results fast. You're also getting instant access to the business, to the bonus and the back page of it all in the business side and aspects of it all. All you have to do is jump right in and get on this train. So this is called the 100K social workshop. So basically this is a learning tutorial on how you can generate basically loads of money within a couple of months. And it does work. It does work. Very legit reviews online about them. You guys can do your own research and find that out, that those that have taken the plunge and have went and did the work that they showed them how to do, or put the puzzle pieces back into their puzzle. They've shown people basically how to really make thousands of dollars within a short moment of time, because in life they're looking at, well, we as people need this money fast. We're looking for loads of money. We have stuff to do, stuff to pay off, things we need, and this site is catered around people like us that were or are looking for tons of money, don't want to go through loans, just need a substantial, reliable, residual income coming in no matter what it is. So this would be perfect for you to get started with if you're looking to make over 63,000, 50,000 in 2 months. There's a lot of learning here, so there is a learning curve for those of you who would like to put your mind to the test, and you love challenges and you love learning and really implementing and putting this stuff into play. Take advantage of the 100K social workshop, because this is definitely something you need in your arsenal as to far as making money from home, so you can have another residual income in your arsenal under your belt, making sure that you sustain a permanent income. Okay, so this is a permanent income, and you can make a lot of money in a short amount of time. These tutorials and stuff, they do cost a little bit of money, so it's in the range. Last time I paid, it was like 30 something, 35, 30 something dollars. Don't know if the prices changed now. It's probably went down to 20 something, 26 something. But jump right in if you got the change to do it. If you don't, I have other websites where you can make free money from home without a website and without bothering your friends and family for anything. I have websites where you can go, jump right in, make that money, and get what you need to get to where you're trying to go. Okay, so it's been real. That was 100K social workshop. 100K social workshop. Take advantage of that, guys, and always remember, if you haven't heard it till you heard it from me, it's your girl ChinnaE out here on the YouTube and internet streets, as you can see. So go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. Take advantage of this business opportunity I have for you. If you cannot do it, take advantage of my other free websites that you can get paid without no money up front. Take advantage of that. Get started right away. Do not question the opportunity. Just do it. Like the Nike sign. Just do it. Just get in. If you like it and you really think you could put your mind to it and get into it, do it. Get into it. Do your research on Google. See what you need to know. Hit me up. I'm always available to answer questions. So, it's your girl ChinnaE out here on these YouTube and internet streets. There's always more stuff for you guys, so stay tuned. And I'll see you in the next vid. You know that's right.